Hey guys, it's Ashley and I'm at 621 Hobbs Court, Unit B, located in central Jefferson City. This is a great condo, great opportunity for someone. Recently updated floors, fresh paint. Also, you have 2 bedrooms that are upstairs and they each have their own bathroom. Downstairs, you have a non-conforming room that's perfect for an office, exercise room, and it also has a Murphy bed. And another great thing about this condo is that you have a 1-car garage. So it offers so much, plus a private backyard here. So come on in and take a look inside.